Hey, good morning, guys. I'm gonna bring you guys two coins today that I've got coin alerts on. You guys need to be watching these. Out of all the coins that we have on here, two coins in particular, Cardano and AVAX, Avalanche, have setups on them that you guys could be seeing some pretty crazy moves here coming pretty soon. And it's because other coins do not have this type of setup. So I wanna go over this. What you guys are seeing here, let me go to the daily time frame so I can show this to you a little bit better. These are the two coins. If you got money in here, please watch this video. What you're seeing right now is the entire market is going through a consolidation pattern. If you take a look at other coins here, guys, you're seeing, maybe we could possibly add Link to this list. So let's go Link, ADA, and AVAX just for fun here. Other coins here have had descending resistances already broken, and we're just going sideways. You can see this on actually quite a few of these pairs. We have it on Matic, we have it Mana. I believe DOT saw it as well. Yeah, all this descending resistance here has been broken, and we just went flat. The difference between ADA, the difference between Link as well, and you've got AVAX here, it's funny, these three right in a row here, is that we have yet to break above this descending resistance, or we're getting very, very close. What's happening on these is you guys actually start seeing, let me say this a different way, traders actually move and breathe a certain way around different coins. Some people who watch the coins a lot are going to be looking for the breakout of descending resistances, and that's where they're going to put a lot of money in because they think it's going to shoot up. It's honestly a very bullish pattern. This descending triangle pattern is one of the bullish, I wasn't saying in crypto, it's probably honestly in Forex, stocks, and crypto, one of the top bullish signs for the market. Maybe besides a reverse head and shoulders pattern, can arguably be very bullish as well. So here's the deal on this. Let's go to ADA. What you guys are seeing is well money flow. Our metric over here is very high, and trend exhaustion is getting high as well. I am wanting to caution you guys that I do believe we're probably going to be seeing a little bit of a drop back down in Cardano. It is taking the lead today, and it is about 6% higher than all other coins today. So we're liking that. We're doing well. The account is up because of ADA, and it's our second biggest holding, EOS being our number one. Okay? But what you guys need to watch for here is that this short trap is going to happen guaranteed. Okay? A lot of people right now, when you guys are looking at this, I wanted to warn you on this video and give you some alerts. Some of you guys are looking at Cardano right now, and you're like, I'm going to short this thing because I expect it to go back down here. Guys, let me just give you a heads up here. Are you seeing what's happening on our metrics over here? If you go to Bitcoin, do you see how much money is moving into Bitcoin right now? This is institutional money. This is not retail trader money resembling this. You can't have hundreds of millions of dollars like this flooding with retail traders. This is huge, huge big boy buying. That they're moving their money out of other altcoins and they're pushing it into Bitcoin. This is the reason why I do think this market could be going up here soon. So because of that bullish sentiment, as well as, can I show you this? As well as the volume of long trades being so much higher than shorts right now on Bitcoin, okay? Follow me here. A lot of you guys who are trying to come out here and are looking to short, this is the alert. You want to be very, very careful here, okay? The two reasons. You've got retail traders and traders who are doing what's called buy stop orders. These are orders that are placed above current price, and when they're executed, there are market orders to trade the breakout. Okay, I do believe we're going to see this happen on these three coins. It's going to be ADA. You're going to see this on Link because people are looking for the buy stop above this area of about, I would say once we pass $10, guys, it's an official break here, and it's going to look very bullish to people. Again, trend exhaustion and well money flow are very high right now. This is where the trapping begins. Indicators have to be high in order to trap. This is the secrets that I'm trying to kind of teach you guys on these metrics here and how to use these. Again, on Avalanche, you can see this right now. We are at this point right now where we've broken above and we're trying to decide, are we going to start moving back up here very quickly? These visual references to these structures are what people are looking for because this is a pattern that's traded over and over and over again in stocks, cryptos, and Forex, guys. So when you're looking at this, it's probably not going to be like a super long video, but I want you guys to be watching for the short squeeze that's coming on Cardano. Watch for the short squeeze that's happening, most likely going to be happening on Link here at about $10. Mark that spot down, guys, as well as watch for AVAX, and it's literally probably going to, it could be happening very soon on this one. So let me dive into the 4-hour chart here to give us a little bit more of a sign here. So for this one here, we ended up getting to this level, and this is the best level I can pull. This is kind of like our anomaly right here of this price action that went up here. But we're sitting there literally right now. It's a decision point of, are we going to going up? Or are we going back down? Moves. The nice thing about this, guys, let me just pull so you can see this. The nice thing about this is this formation is so classic. And this thing right here is just has a huge potential to move to the upside. Guys, I know a lot of people out there are calling that this market's just going to keep dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. I don't agree. I just do not agree. Look at where we're at. Like, how much lower is it going to go? Like, here's zero right here. Like, is it not actually one of the best times to be buying right now and not being scared and trying to take all your money out? Here's something else I want to share with you guys. And I'm just going to kind of do a hodgepodge today, just like throw a bunch of wisdom at you. Bitcoin... Okay, let's look at structure-wise, because you have to take, it's going to sound weird to some of you. We're going to take analysis out, and I want you to just visually look at charts. This is something a lot of retail traders do when they make their decisions. I know this because I've helped thousands of them. When you look at AVX right now, and you look at where the price is currently at, it is low. I'm going to make this very simple, guys. If you look at BTC, and you look at where it is over here, it's not as low. People know we've gotten all the way back down here and we're sitting about, I would say, what do you guys think that is? Maybe about a 50% retracement back up, maybe 50% from the all-time high. Okay, now go to something like AVX or go to something like Cardano. 50% is like up here. Okay, do you see the correlation I just made from Bitcoin to the altcoins? And a lot of altcoins are sitting here. There is a theory here that I believe can take over here, where when we start pumping up again and we start actually moving back up, because I do believe it's going to happen based off Bitcoin, follow me on this, because Bitcoin long trades are high and the dominance is going up on Bitcoin, this tells me the market's going to look to move up. But I do believe there's going to be a switching of cash over from the dominance of Bitcoin back into altcoins once the market starts seeing a pump up here. Because people can make more money on altcoins for USD than they can with Bitcoin. Why? Price is lower, structures are lower, you can make money faster. Let's rewind 30 seconds here of what I was trying to share with you guys. Bitcoin. Take the low, take the high, we're at about 50% retracement. Look at this. We're about what is that? Maybe 20% up right here. This is why I believe we're going to potentially see soon here. Look at Cardano. You actually have to go to the Binance chart to even see Cardano because it's so ridiculously low. Let's pull out links. Okay, look. Here's the bottom here. And that's where we're currently sitting. Remember Bitcoin? It was right here. So what I think could be happening here soon is that people are putting their money into Bitcoin. I think a little bit because they're taking refuge in Bitcoin and they're moving their money out of USDT, because USDT, guys, by the way, has still not come back. This is something that's kind of scaring people a little bit. Again, there's all this FUD in the market. Let's go to USDT. USDT has still not come back and pegged itself to $1. Do you guys see this? There's $1. See that little dotted line right there? That's $1. This is like what's going on here? We're sitting at like 0.99 and then we're sitting down here. I know this doesn't seem like a lot, guys, but I'm serious. This is what people are looking at when they come into this. Excuse me, guys. My apologies. The dotted line is part of the chart here. $1 is up here, sitting at this level. Do you guys see where that level is? And if you guys see this crosshair going over to the right, we have not returned back to, let me get exactly on $1 here so no one can argue that. There's $1. We have not returned back to that. So there's still something happening over here where there's just a lack of confidence or something's not working. Could it crash? It potentially could do something like that. So people are moving their money back over to Bitcoin, as I believe is part of like a safe haven. By the way, guys, USDC is still very, very healthy. And it's partly the reason why you guys hear me on this channel. If you're going to put your money anywhere, I believe USDC is honestly like probably the best place to put it. USDC, excuse me, guys. Let me, USDC coin, yeah. I'm trying to find the pegging. Where we go? Let's go to, no. Where was it? Sorry, guys. USDC. Let me see if I can find this real quick. USDC coin. Okay. For some reason, I'm not able to find the peg chart because this is showing $1. Maybe it looks a little bit different here because here's $1. Okay, it just looks a little different here. So this is staying very consistent because here's $1 right there. Do you guys see how it's really nice? It's moving right around $1. And hey, maybe some mornings you wake up and you make a little bit more on your stable coin, okay? This is healthy. All right, back to what I was trying to tell you guys. These three coins, Cardano, Link, and AVAX, watch for these to move a little bit faster than the others when we come out of this because we are dealing with descending resistances that have not broke and we've gone through the same consolidation before these patterns have broken. So just watch that, okay? Last but not least, guys, if you are not trading our scalping strategy, you should. I know people don't like sells on YouTube videos. I totally get it. I'm with you guys. But are you guys making money? Because we have pulled out of the market 32% profit in the last 22 days. 1.45% I literally have called all these out on YouTube. So if you guys are in the market right now and you're like, okay, I've got some money on the side. I can liquidate some of my positions to just start making some money. Go to tradeconfident.io. It's in the description. I put a link here for you guys. It's called the Scalping Strategy Tutorial. Watch it. It's going to take you exactly to this page. Outside of Luna, we've never lost a scalping trade. And I literally, here's the Telegram channel to prove it, guys. I just called an exit for you guys because it was a 4% profit. 8 for 8 wins. We have one trade open since May 18th, and that's on Solana, which is, it's not even that far from moving back into profit. It really is not. I just did a video on it if you guys want to watch that, okay? 32% profit taken out of the market in the last, this is 22 because this was updated a couple days ago. 22 days, May 18th to June 8th, 22 days. 32% profit, 1.45% a day. That's money in your pockets, guys. Okay, this is the scalping strategy you should be watching. Watch this video, and you need the indicators and you need the membership, guys. We have our prices so low right now. Our indicators are 82% off. You guys are going to be wanting to get these 3. These are the 3 indicators you really need. These 3 I use on TradingView all the time. It's what you guys see just standard on all my charts. Trend dashboard, price flow, money flow, trend exhaustion. Okay, that's what we use like literally every single day. With the bundle pack, you guys will get all 9 of these indicators, and you're going to get lifetime access, and it's a one-time purchase. You need these for the scalping. Then come over to pricing, guys. Not only will you get all of the metrics for each of these coins, which I'll go over in more videos in the future, you guys can click on Bitcoin. This is everybody gets Bitcoin for free. It's just open, so you guys can see what you get on the other coins. Get jacked about this, and then start looking at the other coins when you have a membership, and then you'll see why a lot of people stick around here, okay? Master classes. You guys will get access to all the master classes that I'm teaching you guys, the community chat, as well as I'm going live every single month on what's called our Inner Circle. Let me show it to you guys up here. Inner Circle Hangout, okay? We do have a Zoom link live here, so if you guys click that, you can wait in the chat if you guys would like. But I believe it is the 16th. Yeah, the 16th of June, I'm gonna be going live with you guys doing open Q&A sessions. 122 wins, 1 single loss, and we still, that I can find, guys. I literally have looked around. I'm serious. We have the healthiest crypto account I can find. It's because we use such good risk management. So I want to just give you guys alerts on those coins. Keep watching this YouTube channel. I'll show you guys how we've created the healthiest channel over here. I will be calling out more scalping trades because we've pushed literally, we're over 1% a day, which is insane, guys. Do you guys remember, I don't want to trigger any PTSD for anybody on this, but do you guys remember BitConnect? Oh my gosh. The biggest like scam that I think the crypto sphere has seen for, I don't know, maybe in the last decade or so. They were trying to promise you guys, all of us, 1 to 2, I think it was around 1 to 2% a day. Guys, literally, if you took all your money out, you're fine. You have it all. It's in your bank account if you withdrew your money. We've done 32%, 1.45% a day with our scalping strategy. And I'm going to call out more trades for you guys on YouTube here. Have the indicators and watch the metrics here. Guys, there's trade setups you can take today. I'm just not going to cover it for you because I don't have time to cover it all. Like when I cover it, you guys are technically way higher than 32% if you're looking every single day because I don't do videos over the weekend. I take it off to be with my family and spend time with them and go to church and just like hang out, okay? But literally, if you guys are scalping this strategy, there's so much more profit you can be making than what I'm recording. And I've done a total of 9 videos since May 18th, which we have the 8th one, the Solana is the 9th one, and that's 32% profit, guys, in 22 days. Watch this video. And literally on top of that, outside of Luna, unless your coin comes unpegged and it crashes to 0, you're going to have a really hard time losing any of these trades. It's because we've mastered risk management over here. I truly believe that. Okay, guys? And this is back when we had 22 wins and 0 losses, so I just kept that thumbnail on there. But we have 1 with Luna. Okay, guys? Have a good one. Click the tutorial in the description and watch that. It's on YouTube, so you guys can just go from this video straight over to that and watch that. And then get the indicators and metrics. Indicators on sale, 82% off. Make sure you guys get the membership as well. That's going to give you guys access to all the metrics and going to be with me on June 16th. We're going to go over these markets and do an open Q&A session. But anyways, want to show that to you guys. Hope you got some good nuggets out of this. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thumbs up if you guys would like. It means the world to me. Appreciate that so much. And I will see you guys on the next video where I teach you more wisdom and I help you guys make money in crypto. I love you guys. God bless you. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.